Welcome to the 2025 Inktober Labyrinth Tangle Journey. I've created a toolkit with the templates, step outs, and beginner resources. Grab it with the link below. And if you want all the details about how this journey works, watch our intro video inside the playlist. I'll leave the link in the description and in the comments. I'm Yehudit Steinberg. I'm a certified Zentangle teacher, and today we're exploring the Tangle Darkbusters. This fun pattern, deconstructed by Diana Marshall, is inspired by Crescent Moon. It's simple to draw, but you'll want to take your time with the aura lines to get the full effect. You can even add a sparkle for extra drama. So let's just go over the supplies. We're using a Micron 01, a Micron PN, a Mars Lumograph Statler 2B, and a small tortillon. I'm working on a bijou tile, and this tile is 2 inches. So let's get started with taking a screenshot. Today's tango is Darkbusters. It's a variation by Crescent Moon, where you draw aura lines that create an intricate and organic look. It's a beginner-friendly tangle, but you'll want to take your time to get the lines just right. So make sure you've got a screenshot, and we will start drawing right now. Again, I am using my dots in a corner with graphite. Turn my tile to keep my hand in the same place that's comfortable for me to draw. And somewhere in this area, I'm going to draw an orb or a circular shape. I'll make this one nice and big. And I'm actually changing over to my pen. I'm going to use a PN to draw the outside lines. The second step with Darkbusters is a little orb somewhere. And the following step is where I have missed the mark a few times. And depending on how I've turned my tile, sometimes I end up putting that crescent moon on the bottom here, but it doesn't work with the dimension. You want it to be on the top. And if you look at these, hopefully I did them right. See, this is on the top part. And then when you put your aura lines here, it gives that depth. If you put it here, then you go to do the aura lines, they're matching these aura lines, and it doesn't give that depth inside of the Darkbusters. So that's my little tip there. All right. So I did that in the PN, but I want to come in with my 01. And you see I'm going to aura that line inside. I'm going to give this some ink. And then come around. And aura. Now I still have some room here. Oh, and um there's one other step that I have forgotten a number of times. And that is to aura the entire dark buster. So we can come, I'm gonna put another one. I might draw behind here. And when we draw behind, we're seeing it matches up there. My line went a little in on that side, but it'll work out somehow. Um, I may change where I put my next step, which is that circular, and I'm coming to the top and put my crescent moon. I'm going to change over to my O1. Create. And maybe I want to put somewhere. And it is hiding a little behind. All right. So there seems to be a lot of there's a lot of space in there. In this one I came in and I just put some mark making. I think I wanted it this way. I don't know. But there's some mark making I put to fill in the space. You do you. But that I just started with some random. Do try to close them. I made a few of them not closed. I'm just putting some random lines here. But in this creative group, I'm sure you will be figuring something different. That will be great to see at the end. Now, Where do I shade? Well, I'm going to shade on the side here. Remember, notice I have a sharp pencil and I'm putting that up against that edge. And then I'm coming in the edge inside. This is behind, so there's going to be a little bit of a shadow here. Again, over here. Remember our over and under we did in Hollybaugh? All right. Now I will take my tortillon and I'll spread it gently towards the center, but I want to leave a highlight down the center. Turn my tile a little bit. And we have dark busters. The next step would be to take your dark buster drawing and post it in the Facebook group if you're part of the group. If you enjoyed today's Tangle, grab the Inktober Labyrinth Toolkit. It includes the template, step outs, supply list, and beginner-friendly resources to make this journey easy. And if you'd like accountability and support, join our Creators Art Lab community where we draw together every week during the month of October. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a daily tangle. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you in the next video.